What's up, friends? I am Alex with Stucco Done Right. I just thought I'd show you that. Anyways, we're doing this. We're doing resurfacing on this house. We're gonna be installing stone everywhere. I'm waiting for the inspector. Again, end dams, 2 inches. This is the way it should be. I'm gonna show you the way it is now. And you're gonna see, I mean, it's more of the same. So we have the guys here working. We still need to cut this area, but this is the way it looks. So if your deck is looking a little something like this, might be in the no bueno zone, and it's gotta be looking something like that on where it needs 2 inches of clearance between the stucco and the deck flashings everywhere. ¿Qué dice Mauricio?
Anda.
You know, man. It's been a while. It's been like 2-3 months, folks, since I haven't taken a video of our work. We've been extremely busy, which is great, right? But still, I haven't. So sorry if I failed you. So what we're doing here in this house, we're gonna be installing, the homeowner would like to install stone below, like from where the flashing is and below. So what we did, we cut the stucco so we could probably lap the vapor barrier. And that's basically what we're doing. And that's what the inspector wants to see. And that's what he's gonna be here looking at. So far we have this, nothing on the bottom. Once he gives us the okay on that, then we're gonna go ahead and do some lath over the stucco. We contacted the stucco manufacturer, which is Sunset Stone here in Castle Rock, Colorado. And they say it was perfectly normal to do that. To install stone over stucco, so long we have proper lath and stuff. So what we're doing, we're gonna install this flashing bottom. As you can see, we need more pieces of flashing. So that's about as far as the flashing lasts. But this is to cover that ugly cavity in the bottom, because once we install stone, then we're gonna have like a 3-inch gap at the bottom, and that looks awfully not good. So that's why we're installing this flashing. It smells good over here. We have one of our newest crew members. The dude it's just out of high school, and he's learning the trade. I mean, he wants to learn, so that's awesome. We like for new kids to want to learn this stuff, because people don't usually want to learn this stuff. Caleb, how you doing, man?
Doing pretty good, boss. How you doing?
I'm doing outstandingly good. I'm taking video of what we do, and I'm explaining how you're our youngest team member.
You already know. Getting that work, getting that money.
Yes, sir. You see, he's getting paid overtime and the whole 9 yards straight out of high school. Here we are. All right, so the guys have him cooking right now, because you know our guys cook very well. Look what they have here. Well, it's a bunch of stuff, chicken, whatever, man. Just a bunch of good stuff. Anyways, so that's Caleb right there. And that's it. That's why it smelled good over there in the front, because Caleb was cooking out here. So we're only doing stone on the sides, not the back. So the back is where I started taking video, and this is where we are. Cool. All right, folks. Hey, man, well, thanks for watching another one of my videos. I would try to post more frequently. Cool. I am Alex with Stucco Done Right. Again, thanks for watching.